Hey everyone, Mike Popovich here and welcome to another video. Hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's video, we're going to talk about a crazy deal that I found at Canadian Tire, a Gerber Air Ranger pocket knife for $19.99. Let's go grab it. The knife is made of the Gerber 7CR70 MOV steel. That's one of the cheapest steel materials, will sharpen very easily, but it won't hold this sharpness that long. It has a 3.25 inch blade and it's about 7.3 inches long. It has a very nice tight clip in the back that attaches perfectly in your pocket. This is an extremely lightweight knife, coming in at only 2.6 ounces. Super light, you'll barely feel it in your pocket. The outside is made of a CNC machined aluminum that has a nice texture that will give you a decent grip. That's all I got on this $20 Gerber Air Ranger pocket knife. I hope you guys find the information useful. If you like it, let me know down below. If you don't like it, let me know why. Until the next one, stay safe.